Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force, revolutionizing various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to finance and from education to entertainment. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated and integrated into society, the ethical considerations surrounding their development and use have gained prominence. The question of who decides what's right in the context of AI and ethics is a complex and multifaceted issue that involves a blend of technological expertise, philosophical reflection, legal frameworks, and societal consensus. In this video, we delve into the collaborative efforts required from developers, policymakers, researchers, and the public to strike a balance between technological advancements and ethical considerations. Join us as we navigate the intricate pathways of AI ethics, emphasizing transparency, accountability, and inclusivity to ensure that AI not only aligns with human values, but also serves the greater good. Welcome to a space where education, exploration, and responsible innovation converge at AI Academy. What do AI ethics entail? AI ethics represents a framework of moral principles and methodologies designed to guide the responsible development and use of artificial intelligence technology. As AI continues to play an integral role in various products and services, organizations are increasingly formulating AI codes of ethics. An AI code of ethics, alternatively known as an AI value platform, serves as a formal policy statement that articulates the role of artificial intelligence concerning both its development and its impact on the well-being of humanity. The primary objective of an AI code of ethics is to furnish stakeholders with clear guidance when confronted with ethical decisions related to the utilization of artificial intelligence. Even before the actual emergence of autonomous AI agents, science fiction writer Isaac Asimov envisioned potential risks and dangers associated with them. As a preemptive measure, he devised the 3 laws of robotics, aiming to mitigate these risks. In Asimov's ethical code, the first law prohibits robots from actively causing harm to humans or permitting harm to befall humans by refraining from action. The second law mandates that robots obey humans unless such orders conflict with the first law. The third law directs robots to protect themselves, as long as such self-protection aligns with the preceding 2 laws. In the last 5 to 10 years, the rapid progress of AI has prompted groups of experts to devise protective measures against the potential risks posed by AI to humanity. One such influential organization is a nonprofit institute co-founded by MIT cosmologist Max Tegmark, Skype co-founder John Tallon, and DeepMind research scientist Victoria Krakovna. This institute collaborated with AI researchers, developers, and scholars from various disciplines to establish the Asilomar AI principles, consisting of 23 guidelines aimed at addressing the ethical challenges posed by advancing AI technology. What are the ethical challenges of AI? Enterprises navigating the adoption of AI technologies encounter an array of ethical challenges, each presenting unique complexities. Fairness. Preventing biases in datasets containing personally identifiable information is paramount to ensure fairness in AI applications. Without careful curation, biases related to race, gender, or ethnicity may inadvertently perpetuate and amplify existing societal inequalities. Misuse. AI algorithms, if repurposed for uses different from their intended objectives, can lead to unforeseen consequences. Analyzing potential misuse scenarios during the design stage is crucial to minimize risks and introduce safety measures, thereby mitigating adverse effects. AI ethical considerations. The public release and rapid adoption of generative AI applications, such as ChatGPT and DALL-E, which generate new content based on existing data, intensify ethical concerns. With widespread use, these applications amplify risks related to misinformation, plagiarism, copyright infringement, and the dissemination of harmful content, underscoring the need for vigilant ethical considerations in their development and deployment. The rise of ethical dilemmas in AI. The rapid advancements in AI technology have outpaced the development of ethical guidelines, resulting in numerous ethical dilemmas. Issues such as bias in algorithms, invasion of privacy, autonomous decision-making, and the potential for job displacement have brought the ethical dimension of AI to the forefront. Determining what is ethically acceptable in the development and deployment of AI systems requires a careful examination of the values and priorities that underpin our society. Stakeholders in AI decision-making. The landscape of AI decision-making involves a diverse set of stakeholders, each with its own interests, values, and perspectives. These stakeholders include developers, policymakers, ethicists, businesses, government bodies, and the general public. Striking a balance between the interests of these various parties is crucial for ensuring that AI systems align with societal values and ethical norms. The role of developers. Developers play a pivotal role in shaping the ethical dimensions of AI. They are responsible for designing algorithms, selecting datasets, and making crucial decisions that determine the behavior of AI systems. Ethical considerations should be integrated into the development process with an emphasis on transparency, accountability, and fairness. Encouraging developers to adhere to ethical guidelines and providing them with the tools to address biases and unintended consequences is essential for responsible AI development. Policymaking and legal frameworks. Governments and regulatory bodies play a critical role in establishing the legal and ethical boundaries for AI. Policymakers must grapple with questions related to liability, accountability, and the protection of individual rights. Crafting robust legal frameworks that strike a balance between fostering innovation and safeguarding societal interests is an ongoing challenge. International collaboration is also crucial to address the global nature of AI and ensure consistent ethical standards across borders. Ethical considerations in AI research. AI research, with its exploratory nature, must be conducted with a keen awareness of ethical implications. Researchers should prioritize transparency in their methodologies, openly discuss potential risks, and engage in interdisciplinary collaboration with ethicists to navigate the ethical landscape. Promoting a culture of responsible research ensures that ethical considerations are embedded in the foundation of AI development. Public perception and engagement. The general public holds diverse perspectives on the ethical implications of AI. Engaging the public in discussions about AI, its impact, and the ethical considerations involved is essential for creating a democratic decision-making process. By incorporating public opinions and values, policymakers can ensure that AI aligns with societal expectations and fosters a sense of trust among the populace. Ethical AI education. As AI continues to evolve, there is a growing need for ethical AI education. Educational institutions, industry bodies, and AI developers should collaborate to integrate ethical considerations into AI curriculum and professional training. Promoting a culture of ethical awareness and responsibility from the early stages of AI education will contribute to a more ethical AI ecosystem. Developers stand at the forefront of shaping the ethical dimensions of AI. Their responsibilities encompass designing algorithms, selecting datasets, and making pivotal decisions that influence the behavior of AI systems. In the context of AI Academy, this collaborative approach emphasizes the significance of educating developers on ethical guidelines, fostering a culture that prioritizes transparency and accountability, and providing them with the necessary tools to address biases and unintended consequences. By nurturing a community within AI Academy that values ethical considerations, developers can play a pivotal role in steering AI towards responsible and human-centric applications.